Welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm going to unbox the Armored Crusaders by Prodos Games for the game Space Crusade, which is the redone version of that old classic board game. But a lot of you are probably too young to remember that game. In fact, it was even before my time. Anyways, Armored Crusaders, this is a completely new take on Space Crusade. And I'm going to show you these guys. Now, they do have the option when you order these to get them fully armored, or they could be scantily clad, which means they're basically in their underwear, but they still have their shoulder pads and their boots. So it depends on what you want to do. But I got these because I wanted some more female models that I could use for Marines, for Sisters of Battle, for any kind of sci-fi, whatever, board game, that I want to do. So here we go. So we have these models. They come with the heads attached. So pretty neat armor scheme there. The nice big chunky boots. If you wanted to customize these, you could probably clip the heads off. But these are cast in resin. You can see the armor on her. Really good attention to detail. So they still have the feminine pose, but they are wearing a lot of armor. Excuse me. All right, so that's 5 Crusaders. And then we have a bunch of little shoulder pads. So a lot of fleur-de-lis and skulls. You can see the guns are very bolter inspired. The shape of those. So if you painted these up, these would fit in with any of your Games Workshop stuff just fine. And they are taller though. I mean, I'm gonna say these ladies are pretty tall. Let's actually, I got some Primaris Marines here that I've been painting up. Let's compare them, shall we? So setting her next to Primaris Marine. She's not that much bigger. She looks like about the right size compared to a Primaris Marine. So not too bad. So they are taller than a lot of 28mm stuff, but they're not too big, like I was thinking there for a second. Okay, come on, camera, focus. There it is. There's the rocket launcher. All right, so we have one heavy weapon, and then everybody else has little bolt guns. And then we have these versions of the 28mm bases. The Alien vs. Predator stuff that Prodos Games comes out has a different kind of ring base on them, but these are more the traditional 28mm, like the ones that Games Workshop uses. So, anyways, there they are. Space Crusaders, Armored Crusaders, and they have been unboxed.